Don't skip this video. If you're still waking up to that loud, annoying alarm every morning, this is about to change your routine. And stock is running out. Everyone's tired of ugly alarm clocks, sleeping with their phone next to them, and waking up to harsh white light first thing in the morning. Where's the comfort in that? Meet Lumi Buddy, the smart alarm clock with a warm, cozy nightlight, multiple alarm sounds that wake you up gently, a rechargeable battery, and such an adorable design that it doubles as bedside decor. It's compact, lightweight, and fits perfectly on any nightstand, dorm room, or home office desk. It also makes the perfect gift for someone you care about. But here's the catch. This batch is limited and it's selling out fast. Order now to lock in the special price. Once it's gone, you'll have to wait for the next restock, and the discount won't be available. Comment alarm clock right now, and I'll send you the direct purchase link. Hurry, because this offer won't last until tomorrow. Lumi Buddy. Wake up differently before it's gone.